Most students lose their marks simply because they don't pay attention to this secret I'm about to show you in this video. And if you don't do it, it will not make you to have a full mark. Now, looking at this point as an example, please pay attention to this secret. Pay attention to this secret. Looking at this point as an example, you know, this point, at this point, three lines skips out. One like this to the left, 30 degree to the horizontal, one like this to the right, 30 degree to the horizontal, and one upward. Now, this one that is upward is vertical, right? Now, some students, they can go by doing it like this. They will not bother to draw the reference line first. Why? Let me show you something. This is how some students used to do their own. This is how some students used to do their own. And I'm going to show you what made them to lose their mark. Now, they will just place their ruler like this. They can do it like this. Now, suppose they want to draw out these three lines. 1, 2, 3. They will just place their ruler like this. Please pay attention to this. They can pick a point here around here. They can just draw a line like this to the left, place it here. That same point, draw a line upward and to the left, and to the left. They can place it here and draw another line before they begin the measurement. So they can do it in this form and tell you that if you do it like this will not make you to have what? A complete mark. You understand? Where you're supposed to have 10 over 10, you will not have it simply because you don't follow the rules. Why? Because if you do it like this will not be accurate. That's why you have to draw this reference line. I will show you the reason why this reference line is very important. Even though, judge yourself, if you are the one marking and someone just start like this doing, how will you know that it is 30 degree to the horizontal? Looking at this thing, you could realize a mistake here. You could realize a mistake. How will you know? If you place your, maybe your set square on your T-square and you draw a reference, you draw an horizontal line like this. If you should measure it, this may not be exactly what 30 degree to the what? To the horizontal line. But you see, this one I did a video on this. I will drop the full video on the of this technical drawing on my of this isometric drawing on my description. Please do where to check it. Now let me show you the reason why it's very important. Now you see this protractor. This is how you confirm. Suppose I place the protractor here. Let this point rest upon this point. There's a line like this. There's a line like this. Let it rest upon this line, and another one like this. Let it rest upon this line. You will see that this is perfectly 30 degree. Let's do that. Now you could see perfectly from here that this line, this point represents the main point, the point, just like this. Why this line must align with this line? Why this one also must align with this line? Now you see that from here to here is 30 what degree? Exactly 30 degree. And from here to here is also what? 30 degree. You can see that from here to here is 10, 10, 10. That is 30 degree. You could see that. So this give you accurate, and it give you what's it called? Complete marks. This one give you your what? Your complete marks. You must make sure that you follow each step. Don't just do it like this. Don't just do it like this. This will not make you to have good mark. It will not give you good mark. It could lead to error. Some people will just do it like this without the horizontal line. That is why in my video, I used to start with an horizontal line. I usually start with what? Horizontal line. And I demonstrate it for you how you can do it perfectly without having any error. So please make sure that you watch the video of this. Watch the full video. Check my description. You will see it. And as I'm talking, you can check the screen too. You also see the full video. Please make sure you watch, comment, and share. This make a lot of students. These little things that you don't consider, these little things that you don't consider, it will make you to lose your mark. Don't just draw it like this. As I've said, don't just place your ruler, pick a point, and begin to draw lines out without drawing the reference line like this. Now, if you then draw the reference line later, it may not give you perfectly what the way it's supposed to be. It may not be perfect. Please take note of this information. Thank you very much for watching.